Hello guys, today we are discussing about the Favorsky rearrangement. The transformation of alpha haloketones to esters with rearranged carbon skeleton by the treatment with alkoxide ions is called Favorsky rearrangement. Transformation of alpha haloketones, that means these are two alpha positions, these are two alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha haloketones means halogen atom is attached to the alpha position, that means alpha carbon here, and the transformation of alpha haloketone, that means alpha haloketone in the presence of alkoxide, that means RO minus, is converted into the ester. It is called as a Favorsky rearrangement. Here it is also there, these are two alpha positions here and here. Alpha haloketone in the presence of alkoxide ion, it is converted into the ester. Here we can see cyclic alpha haloketones give esters with ring contraction. Here ring contraction takes place. It is a hexane ring and it is a pentane ring. So let's talk about the mechanism of Favorsky rearrangement. Here we will discuss two mechanisms. First one is for the cyclic alpha haloketone and second one is for the acyclic alpha haloketone. So first, here RO minus, that means alkoxide ion, takes hydrogen, that means alpha hydrogen, and here carbanion formation takes place. Here carbanion, further carbanion is attack on the second alpha carbon, other alpha carbon, and removal of chlorine takes place, that means halogen removal. Then further this ring is formed, and then another alkoxide ion attack on carbonyl carbon and the formation of O minus OR and this ring. Further the O minus attack here and the formation of another carbanion takes place, and that carbanion is take hydrogen from the alcohol or that alkoxide ion which formed, then the formation of this ring. So here we can see, here it is a hexane ring and it is contracted, that means ring contraction takes place. It gives cyclopentane ring and the ester. So let's see another mechanism of acyclic alpha haloketone. So here RO minus, that means alkoxide ion, takes hydrogen, alpha hydrogen, and the formation of carbanion takes place. Then that carbanium attack on the another alpha carbon and the removal of Cl minus takes place. Here PHCH2CO formed, and another OR minus attack on the carbonyl carbon and the formation of CO minus OR takes place. Further that O minus attack on carbon and the formation of carbanion takes place. Here it is carbanion. Further that carbanion takes hydrogen and the, that means cyclic and acyclic, both mechanisms are the same. So let's talk about the applications of Favorsky rearrangement. So there are two applications of Favorsky rearrangement. First one is the cyclic alpha haloketone with only equatorial halogen undergoes rearrangement. That means this is the equatorial position and this is the axial position. In the presence of, here is a cyclic alpha haloketone. Here ETO minus as that means alkoxide ions, it attack on the this position and formation of carbanion takes place. That carbanion attack on the that carbon and here is a formation of this product through the Favorsky mechanism. But cyclic alpha haloketone with axial position does not undergo that rearrangement. That means here we can see, here it is axial position, this is equatorial position. Here no rearrangement takes place, Here in the axial halogen did not undergoes the backside attack. That means here backside attack is restricted for the carbanion. Here is for carbanion, backside attack is restricted. So the axial halogen does not undergo Favorsky rearrangement. Let's talk about the second application, the formation of alpha beta unsaturated ester. As we can see here, OR minus takes hydrogen and the formation of carbanion. Further, that carbanion attack on the another carbon and the removal of one Br takes place. The formation of these intermediate. Then OR minus attack on carbonyl carbon. Then the formation of further O minus OR and these. So here O minus attack here, and this is not attack on the carbon but attack on that bond, and the formation of double bond takes place, and another Br minus is removed, and here is carbanion, here double bond is formed. Further, the formation of alpha beta unsaturated ester takes place. Here is alpha beta unsaturated ester. Here is alpha beta unsaturated, and it is a ester. So these are the applications of Favorsky rearrangement. Thank you.